In this video, I am going to show you how to change the name of our Facebook profile in a very simple way. The first step we are going to take is that we are going to enter our Facebook profile. Here we are going to select in the upper right part where we have these three bars. From here we select and this displays these configurations. Here we are going to go to settings and privacy, and now we are going to select in settings. This takes you to the privacy settings. Where are we going to hold down in account center? Here what we are going to do is that we are going to select our profile. Again we select, and here we will have these options where we can observe the one that interests us, which is the name one. We now select here in this option. You will be able to change the name of your Facebook profile. Here you can see the name that I currently have for this profile, which is called Christian Paredes, and I am going to change the name of the channel that we have in Spanish, which is called Christian JP Tutorials. So here we're going to write the new name. Something very important is that you must make sure that the name you just added is correct, since you will not be able to change it to a period of 60 days. At the bottom you can see review changes, and we are going to select the blue button. Here we will be able to view the new name that we have written in our profile and will select the correct option. Once you have defined it, select save changes, and that's it. As I can see, here we have changed the name of our Facebook profile. If the tutorial worked for you, subscribe and share, since that would be helping us a lot. So see you very soon in a new video.